So this pattern uses worsted weight cotton yarn. I'm going to be using my leftover yarn and a 4mm hook and just a teeny button to sew at the end of it. So the button should be small enough or large enough to pass through the loop comfortably. Okay, this is done in one long stretch, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward to make, and it's done in one piece. All right, let's get started. So this size, this headband is in 4 sizes. There is the large, adult large, and teen and adult small. There is a child, and then there is a toddler. So this tutorial will show you how to do the toddler size, and check the description for the starting foundation half double crochet stitches that need to be made for other sizes. So we're going to do FHDC foundation half double crochet 66 for the toddler size. If you do not know how to do the foundation half double crochet, please check out the tutorial. There's a link to it in the description, and just try your hand at that stitch. It's really awesome because, you know, it has a lot of advantages to it. One of them being that you know, you can make your chains and stitches all at the same time, and also you are safe from missing any chains when you work longer chains. All right, so I'm gonna do FHDC 66 for the toddler size. Alright, 66 FHDC's foundation half double crochet is done. Now I'm going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5. I want to mark my last stitch here because I don't want to get confused by the time I walk around. Okay, chain 5 and turn. Now at the bottom of this stitch right here, because this is worked in rounds, at the bottom of this same stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch. Slip stitch, and we're doing something like a half puff. So what we want to do is go in as though we wanted to make a single crochet stitch, but we are not going to finish that, and then yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of that. Again, single crochet, not quite single crochet rather. Okay, 2 loops, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out a loop, 4 loops on hook, yarn over and pull through all. Okay, we want to repeat this. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, pull out a loop, 4 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all. Alright, so that's what we want to do throughout this across. We want to do this across minus the last stitch, which is the very first stitch here. So we will not do that into here, but we will work into the rest of the stitches. Alright, we have our last puff stitch, half puff stitch, and then the last stitch on here. So into this last stitch we want to work 2 half double crochets. See, the last, which is the very first that we made. Okay, 2 half double crochets, one single crochet, all into the same space, and we're working on the top now into the first stitch here, we'll do a half double crochet. You can carry your tail along as well. Half double crochet. Alright, now we want to continue our half puff stitch. So go into the stitch, yarn over and go in again, yarn over, pull out a loop, and I'll pull through all the loops. Into the next stitch, yarn over, go into stitch, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through all, and we'll repeat that into all the stitches around. Across the row. We'll repeat that until the last stitch here, which I have marked. And once we make the last half puff stitch, we're going to join into the last stitch. We're going to do a join with a slip stitch. Yeah, I'm right. Join with slip stitch. Okay, we'll weave this in and we'll sew the button. So you can choose which part you want to be the front or the back. You could also wear it either way. You could wear it this way or you could wear it this way. So I want to sew it on here. You can go again, just to have a really snug, if the yarn will go in, just to have a really snug, yeah, to make it tighter. And that's it. That's our headband, weaving your tails, and that's our headband. There we have it. Easy, straightforward, and done in one piece. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and go ahead and make one or make lots of them and share with Yarn Craftee on Instagram or tag Yarn Craftee on Facebook as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Alright, I'll see you in the next video tutorial. God bless you. Bye.